5 minutes of listening.
Good morning. How are you, madam? Great. Thanks for asking. What can I do for you today? I want to open an account with your bank. Okay, madam. But I don't know how to open an account. Don't worry. Will you tell me what kind of account you want to open? Well, I have a large amount of money. And now you want to save it, right? Yes, you are right. Okay, I am giving you a form to fill it up. Just fill it up with the information required. Actually, I want to see the bank manager. Ma'am, opening an account or depositing money is something I can do. Bank directors only handle important cases. Yes, I know. But I want to deposit a very large amount. All right, can you tell me how much you are depositing? I would like to deposit $1 million. In that case, please wait a moment. I will consult the director. Okay. Ma'am, please follow me. Fortunately, the director has free time today. Great! Thank you for your kind cooperation. You are most welcome. Come in, please. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Have your seat, please. Thanks. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. I'm Ted. I'm the director of this bank. Yes, and I am Dolores. I would like to open a savings account with your bank. Yes, I know. The banker said that you want to deposit a very large amount of money, right? Yes, I want to make a deposit today. Okay. How much would you like to deposit? I need to deposit $1 million. Wow, that's a lot of cash. May I ask why you carry so much cash? You don't believe this money is mine? No, I didn't mean that. I'm just curious. How did you get so much cash and where do you get it? This money I earn by betting. You mean you make money from gambling? No way. I don't gamble. So this money... I bet others the ordinary things of life. I don't understand what you mean. Well, for example, I bet my friend that she would be scolded by her boss the day after, and it really happened, so I got the money. So that means every time you bet, you win. Right. Do you want to try betting with me? What would you like to bet? Let's see. I bet that at 10 a.m. tomorrow, all the skin on your body will turn blue. Haha, are you kidding me? No, I'm serious. All right, place your bets. How much do you want to bet? $30,000. Wow, that's a lot of money for a bet. Well, it's okay if you don't want to. There's no way she can do that. Okay, I'm in. But I have a small request. Yes? The bet amount is quite large, so I want to invite my lawyer to testify. Is that okay? Of course, you can call your lawyer. Great, so that's a deal. I'll be back at 10 a.m. Okay, see you tomorrow morning. Honey, I am home. Hello, honey. How was your day at the office? Everything was fine today. I'm glad to hear that. What are you cooking? It smells so good. I am making grilled chicken. This is your favorite dish. That's wonderful, dear. Can't wait to try it out. All right, go wash your hands. Okay.
Five minutes of vocabulary. Deposit. Please repeat after me. Deposit. Deposit. Making a payment in advance.
Look, Shorty, I can't deposit this in my bank account. It's the wrong color.
I will deposit the rest into your bank account.
They deposit the money into our bank accounts.
Yes, I know. The banker said that you want to deposit a very large amount of money, right? Okay. How much would you like to deposit? I need to deposit $1 million.
Consult. Please repeat after me. Consult. Consult. Getting advice from other people.
I just want to consult the big Avon handbook before doing anything.
Thank you for the consult.
I didn't want to do anything before consulting you.
In that case, please wait a moment. I will consult the director.
Curious. Please repeat after me. Curious. Curious. Wanting to learn more about things around you.
When I started this, I was curious, and then I went from curious to concerned.
You're not curious?
I'm not curious.
I'm a very curious guy. It's my nature. I need to know things.
Nah, I'm just curious. That's right, curious.
Gambling. Please repeat after me. Gambling. Gambling. Trying to win money by guessing or playing games.
I am not gambling. I am not gambling. I am winning.
It's not gambling if you absolutely know you're going to win.
Do you like to gamble, Eddie? Gamble money on pool games?
You mean you make money from gambling?
Bet. Please repeat after me. Bet. Bet. Trying to win money by guessing something.
You can't just ignore the bet. It's a bet.
No bet. No bet here. No bet.
You afraid you'll lose?
How much you want to make a bet I can throw a football over the mountains?
So that means every time you bet, you win. What would you like to bet?
Scold. Please repeat after me. Scold. Scold. Speaking to somebody in a negative way because they did something wrong.
You gonna scold me?
Now, while you scold us, I'm going to get a knife and a fork.
I was Toddy. She was scolding me for it.
I bet my friend that she would be scolded by her boss the day after.
7 minutes of speaking.
Dinner is ready. That's great. I'm very hungry. Our son called me today. Really? What did he say? He said that he will be coming home this Christmas. Great! That way my family will have time together. You are right. I miss him so much. Me too. Ah, you know what? Today at the bank I encountered something very interesting. What happened? A lady came to the bank with $1 million in cash and wanted to open a savings account. Wow, that's a lot of cash. And do you know where she got it? Betting. Betting? Yeah. She said she only bet on ordinary things in life to win all that money. No way. She made a bet with me. Really? Bet what? She bet that by 10 a.m. tomorrow my skin will turn blue. Wow, that's funny. Yeah. Did you agree to bet with her? I did. How much did you bet? $30,000. Well, not a small amount. You really took a risk. But there's no way she can do that. Who knows? She might be a witch. Oh, come on, honey. She will cast a spell on you. Then you will be like a Smurf. A Smurf? You're so funny. Or, to be more practical, she may splash paint on you, so your skin turns blue. You have a vivid imagination. Will my skin turn blue tomorrow? Why? What is she plotting? Why am I worrying now? Nah, I'm just curious. That's right, curious. Let's see what you're gonna do tomorrow, Dolores. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well last night? Very well, thank you. Great. This is Carl, my lawyer. Hello, sir. It's a pleasure to meet you. Pleased to meet you. I heard about your bet, and today I am here to testify to this bet. Yeah, I know. Please have a seat. It's almost 10 a.m. I have a small request. Yes? What is that? To check if your skin has turned blue. Can you take off your clothes? What? This might be a bit odd. Just take off your shirt and casual pants, okay? Let me see. I agree, but I want you and Carl to leave the phones on the table. Okay, don't worry, we won't spy on you. I'm just taking precautions. Okay, this is my phone, and Carl, now it's your turn. Okay. Your skin is still white. It hasn't turned blue. Haha, so you lost your bet. Okay, you won. This is $30,000. I didn't expect making money so easily. Are you happy now? Of course, this is the first time I've won such a big bet. But why do you look so calm? You don't feel sad to lose $30,000? Well, not at all. Okay, now that is really weird. Hey, what's wrong with Carl? Actually, Carl is not my lawyer. So, who is he? I'm a friend of Dolores. She and I made a bet. And I lost? What did you two bet? I bet him $100,000 that I could get the bank manager to undress and still happily dance in front of us.
Three minutes of reviewing. Question 1. When did Ted and Nancy's son say he would come home? A. This Thanksgiving. B. This Christmas. C. Next summer. The correct answer is B. Question 2. How much money did Ted bet with Dolores? A. $30,000. B. $50,000. C. $100,000. The correct answer is A. Question 3. What was the bet between Ted and Dolores? A. Whether Ted could eat a whole pizza. B. Whether Ted could get sick tomorrow. C. Whether Ted's skin would turn blue by 10 a.m. the next day. The correct answer is C. Question 4. What did Dolores ask Ted to do to check if his skin turned blue? A. Go outside. B. Jump up and down. C. Take off his clothes. The correct answer is C. Question 5. What was Carl's real relationship with Dolores? A. Lawyer. B. Friend. C. Bank manager. The correct answer is B. Question 6. How did Ted feel after he won the bet? A. Sad. B. Happy. C. Surprised. The correct answer is B.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.